Hey YouTube, it's me, LegoHead. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Lego City repair truck. Lego City repair truck. City. It's a 2010 set number 3179. I have a feeling that all the new City sets for 2010 are going to be labeled 31 something something. It's a repair truck, 118 pieces, ages 5 to 12. Standard issue box, whatever, you know. You get your truck with a boom, person, and a light. On the back of the box, you've got a repair truck again. The guy with the post. And then it says the thing swivels around in a circle, and it shows the guy fixing a light. Okay, and the bottom of the box just has some information. On the top of the box, it says it comes with 2 of those gates, the guy, and a trash can, actual size. Yeah, my dad ripped the box, so it's taped together, so I can do this review. The box is taped together, so I can do this review. Okay, on to the minifig. Comes with one minifig. It's a regular construction kind of guy, blue pants. It's like silver sunglasses. Silver sunglasses, red hat, blue undershirt, blue pants. Just go then. It's a minifig. Okay, then it comes with this here. Why? Okay, so it comes with this post here. Has a 4x4.
Sir, are you going to post this?
Yes. Shut up.
Sorry, go on.
This is the 4x4 tan piece. It comes with a green garbage can. I think most sets now for 2010 are going to come with green instead of gray for some reason. And it has a light post here. I think I lost the light because my dad might have vacuumed it up by accident. So that piece right there, that gray piece, is not supposed to be on there. Okay, now onto the truck. It has a boom, as you can see. Okay, it has 2 doors, one on each side like this. It's license plate with this set number on it. It comes with a open top wrench, a closed top wrench, and on the other side, it comes with a hammer. Oh, I took the hammer off. Oh, anyway, it does. Okay, and then it has the top. It has some lights. On the inside, it has a blue steering wheel. That's my little brother just being stupid. Okay, on the back, it has, of course, the bucket. It has another license plate here with some red taillights and some blinkers. Okay. This goes 1, 2, 3 clicks up, and then this here, like that, right? And then the bucket goes like that. What I do is I go like that, so it looks like that. And then, like the box shows, this thing swivels in a circle, like that. All right. So what I do for this is I have the truck with the boom upright, just like that, right? Then I have this light post here, and then Then I have the guy usually sitting in the boom here, in the bucket. Doing that, what do you think? So I have the guy standing in the bucket like that, and that's holy crap! It took him out. Well, they just shot him with his Nerf dart gun.
It was just like, yeah.
So anyway, he's like fixing the light if it was on there. Okay, and then in here, and then in the cabinets here on the side of the truck. On the side of the truck cabinets here. Come on, get out of there! What the heck?
Born to be
Okay. In this first cabinet here on the truck, comes with two cabinets, by the way. It has like a gas can, and it has like a torque wrench drill.
Anyway, if you see darts flying by, that's me.
And it has a screwdriver too.
And post this video, please. Please.
Please! They probably will.
Post the video. That guy's like, no! If you don't post the video, he's gonna kill me.
And then in the back compartment here, it comes with two of those spare like translucent green pieces, 2x1.
I don't have the recon. It's actually the long strike.
Justin has the long shot. I guess he wants to.
I also
Then
have
it comes. Then it has two of these gates. You just stick on right there.
How come I get it perfect on the first try? It's just like,
So anyway, this thing, just take the roof off.
Show the person again. I like it. So just point it out with your laser pointer.
Then it says on the box, it says that you should store it like this when you're gonna not drive with it, when you drive with it. But what I found out you can do is you can shove it underneath it and it still works and it takes up less space. So that's what I'm gonna like. So yeah, there's the Lego City. There's the Lego City repair truck. It's at number 3179. Ages 5 to 12. 118 pieces. Thanks, YouTube.